Thanks so much. Thanks so much.
Everyone's in the picture.
Please. Wait. Got it?
There was a detail on his phone this time.
It feels amazing. I never expected that this would happen. It's my first ever Intel ISEF. It's been a dream for me to come to ISEF for 3 years, and I never thought that today this would happen. It is. Well, I hope to be able to take my innovations and to be able to contact airlines and as well as aircraft manufacturers and really to be able to implement that in the real world as soon as possible. I've been to so many national fairs, but ISEF is so much better. It is amazing. We sent 4 people from Vancouver, and it is amazing that 2 of the people from Vancouver are among the top winners. And it is a fantastic honor to be able to win the Gordon Neame Award. My name is Raymond Wang. I'm from Vancouver, BC, Canada, and I go to St. George's School in grade 11. So my project is on looking at aircraft cabin airflow, both computationally and physically, in order to curb disease spread. What I did was I used accurate cabin models, and using various insights, I was able to generate modifications to the aircraft cabin in order to reduce disease transmission by up to 55 times and improve passenger fresh air inhalation by up to 190% in an economically feasible way and quick to implement way to basically be able to improve airflow overnight for the cost of about a typical passenger's airline ticket. So basically what I did was I took in computational and physical analyses of airflow inside an aircraft cabin. And basically I created a very accurate geometry to get representative results of analyses, of high resolution analyses that are first in industry of a traditional cabin. And using those insights, I was able to generate these solutions to cabin airflow to basically decrease passenger inhalation per passenger by up to 55 times and promote fresher air by up to 190% in a very economically feasible and easily implementable way for airlines. So with existing proposals in industry, there's been huge barriers to implementation. Reason being, some proposals require the total overhaul of the entire cabin. This requires something called a Type D check, where you basically take the airplane out of service for 2 months, spend thousands of man hours on it, $5 to $7 million to redo the entire airplane. With this, it can be installed overnight. Costs about it's my first time being at ISEF. It's an amazing experience to be able to meet all these different people with so many innovative projects, and to be able to really share my research that I've been so passionate about and working very hard about over the past 5 months is just an amazing opportunity for me. By reducing pathogen inhalation by about 55 times and increasing fresh air availability by about 190%.
Because you're changing the way that airflow in the germs that's carried.
Verify my findings in CFD. And so what I do is I pass mass flow controlled air through these inlets and through these side notches that I've cut into the airplane. We're able to actually have airflow in through precise points like they would in a real life airplane. And so you have air coming in through the top, you have air coming in through the side. This flow develops inside the airplane, and we're able to simulate using things like
Can you flip it, describe it to us?
all right. So
What's it made out of? Why does it work like
So this is a laser cut prototype of my inlet director system. Basically what it does, it's able to capture the
The Intel International Science and Engineering Fair is sort of the granddaddy fair of all science fairs around the world. And these kids are going to go on and change the world. They are inventors, they are researchers, they are doing work that will advance cancer treatment, they are inventing new ways of analyzing big data, they are engineering wonderful new robotics and drones and anything that you can imagine. These kids are really scientists and engineers. They are judged on the quality of scientific work that they have done that in many cases would make a PhD graduate student very proud. They come here and they meet kids like them, kids who are passionate about science and engineering, invention and creation, kids from 78 countries around the world. These wonderful young students need to understand that the work that they do and their accomplishments are really wonderfully valuable, and they should be so proud and go on and do more of it. You know, I hope that they walk away from this knowing that this is the best week of their lives, up until now. And then it only gets better from here on out.